Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here because we're shining a light, literally, on something that can instantly elevate your eye makeup game. We're talking about TONYMOLY's lovely Beam Bling glitter in 01 Gold Beam, a glitter designed to define your eyes and add that youthful, radiant sparkle to your look. This glitter is marketed as multi-talented, meaning it can be used under the eyes for a subtle brightening effect or layered over your eyelids for a more dramatic, shimmering finish. The Gold Beam shade is a warm metallic that's meant to catch the light beautifully, making your eyes pop without looking overdone. The formula is lightweight, easy to blend, and versatile enough for both daytime and evening looks. I spent several days incorporating this glitter into my routine, testing it under different conditions. Applied lightly under the eyes, it gives a fresh, awake appearance that really lifts the overall makeup look. On the lids, it layers well over eyeshadow, adding depth and sparkle without feeling gritty. The texture is soft and adheres nicely when used with a primer or a sticky base, although if you skip a base, there can be minor fallout. For me, applying with precision brushes made all the difference in controlling the intensity and placement. One of the things I love about this product is its adaptability. You can go subtle for a natural glow or build it up for bold, party-ready sparkle. The gold tone is flattering on a wide range of skin tones, which is always a plus. On the downside, beginners might find it tricky to manage the fallout when creating more dramatic looks, so a little practice goes a long way. In terms of pros, the glitter is highly pigmented, long-lasting, and extremely versatile. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, and the product feels soft rather than gritty. On the con side, fallout can be an issue without a base, and heavy application requires careful handling to avoid a messy finish. Considering the price, TONYMOLY consistently delivers high-quality products with innovative formulas, and this glitter is no exception. Its performance, pigmentation, and versatility make it worth the investment. Compared to other glitters on the market, this one holds up better throughout the day and offers a more refined finish, especially for the gold shade, which is flattering and luminous. The build quality is excellent. The packaging keeps the glitter secure, and the product itself maintains its intensity after multiple uses, which speaks to its longevity. While there are cheaper glitter options available, many don't provide the same smooth texture or staying power, making this an appealing choice if quality matters to you. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. All in all, TONYMOLY's lovely Beam Bling glitter in Gold Beam is a charming, versatile product that really delivers on sparkle and performance. It's perfect for anyone who loves playful, luminous eye looks, whether you're enhancing your under-eye area or creating full-on glittery eyelids. I'd recommend it for makeup enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with light and texture, or anyone looking to brighten their eye area with minimal fuss. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this glitter in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and share your favorite ways to wear it. I'd love to hear your tips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.